was a colorful bird in the forest. She could sing very well. Birds and animals from far away forest came to listen to her song. One day an owl came to that jungle. I love the way you sing. Can you sing at night too? The owl asked. Why not? I can sing. The bird replied and began to sing at night too. The birds like parrots, sparrows, and peacock heard about this. They came to meet the singing bird. We are all diurnal birds. Singing at night can be dangerous. You should stop singing at night, they said to her. But the bird didn't listen to them. She continued singing at night. A hunter heard her and came there. He caught the singing bird. Later, he sold her to a rich man. The bird became very sad and stopped singing. The moral of the story is discipline is the key to success.